Good day, everybody. Mr. Hogan again here with your announcements for Thursday, October 21st, 2021. On the birthday list today, I have one that is Logan Pastor. A very happy birthday to you. On the lunch menu, our lunch options are tangerine chicken with steamed rice, spicy chicken sandwich, or hamburger. These items are offered with broccoli with cheese, garden bar, or assorted fruit. Additional daily options are jumbo PB&J, assorted sub sandwiches, assorted box salads, yogurt and sweetbread, and of course everyone's favorite, hummus and pita bento box. The news today is very short. I only have one announcement. The GEYCP is hosting a play, and that play is called Schoolhouse Rocks at Trail Ridge Middle School on October 22nd at 7 p.m. and again on October 23rd at both 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. It says we hope to see you there. All right, guys, that's all I got. Of course, you know there's only one thing left to do. Last but not least, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.